Hello and welcome back to Aliena's Kitchen, where today we are making a delicious mocha smoothie. This smoothie is a great way to start your day or be a meal replacement or a pre-gym workout drink because it's packed full of nutritious ingredients and you also get that boost of the caffeine. So let's get started. The first thing you are going to want to add to your blender is your coffee. You're going to want to use 1 cup of coffee, either as a cold coffee or you can make coffee ice cubes like I did today. And I'm just going to add all these in. They're starting to melt a little bit because it's really hot out here. But there we go. Next, I'm going to add in 1 frozen banana. You don't have to add it in frozen, but I really like adding my banana in frozen because it adds a really great creaminess to your smoothie. I also have 1 tablespoon of cacao powder that's going in to give a nice chocolatiness to our smoothie, along with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Next, I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is optional, but I always love adding in vanilla, along with a 3/4 cup of almond milk. And I like to use unsweetened almond milk, but you can really use whatever milk of your choice. The last ingredient I'm adding into my smoothie today is completely optional, but I like to add in some collagen. You can also add in protein powder. This one is just up to you. Also, I do want to mention, if you like a sweeter drink, you can always add in some honey or maple syrup and that will sweeten it up. But for me, I don't want it super sweet today, and I think the banana already adds a nice sweetness, so I'm not going to. But that one's up to you and your taste buds. Now, the best part, getting to try our smoothie. All right, here we go. There's a battle behind us of the crows. Don't know exactly what's going on, but they're not happy. Now, the best part, getting to taste the smoothie. That is so good. I don't know how many of you know this about me, but I am not a big fan of coffee, but I absolutely love this coffee smoothie because it has that coffee, but it also has all the other flavors and the chocolate coming in that make it so delicious. So if you like this drink, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see more of my smoothies, there should be a playlist right here or over here of all of my recipes. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye! Cheers!